All right, guys, welcome to the FTSE report today. Again, these are given out before the market opens, so you kind of know what to expect when the FTSE opens. So, what were we looking at today? So the FTSE, this is basically the analysis. This is actually written from this comment was written last week. We were just saying that there was resistance at 74.30 to 40. And we would expect a reaction there, and actually it failed right in this zone last week. So the FTSE got up there and it's just failed straight away. So today we were saying we do have support at 73.20 to 300. So whilst above here we could see a move back up to 73.50. So that was a reason to buy. So I'll come back to that in a second. There's a 15-point dividend as well, which will be important later on in the week, but that will attract some buyers and it will probably tie into a trade later on in the week. For the buy, I like the spike trade, which is down here. We'll come to that in a second. I also like sales today from 73.60 to 70 with stops above this resistance zone at 74.30, target 7300. So then we are just saying we're neutral below 74.30, positive long-term above 6880, and then we go on to the system trades. 5-minute buy I didn't like today. The spike I did like, and that actually triggered. So we're looking for a spike down to 73.20 to 300. We're going to buy that for 15 points with a stop below 72.90. Closing gap, we didn't have a trade. So let's have a look at the market open. Okay, so this was the open here. So this is where the market opened. We opened at 7334 and we were looking for a move. We were basically looking for the spike down at 73.20. So we got in here at 73.20, and then I actually said in the room we wanted to buy again at 73.06, which was an unfilled extreme gap. So there was a reason to buy down here. We were going to put in another position. The stops were basically below 72.90. So we got in at 73.20 and we just missed getting in our second entry here, because the spike I was expecting a reaction from 73.20 to 300. So it was in that zone I was expecting a buy. So we put in a little position here at 73.20, and then I wanted to put another bid at 73.06. Sadly, it got to 73.08, so 2 points above the second entry, and it just had the reaction. So once it sort of came up to here, I decided to tell you to come out of the first entry at 73.20 at entry. So so a trade today, but no loss, no win today, unfortunately. Some of you did get in. Some of you more experienced traders did get in on this pin bar reversal down in the buy zone. But it was a spike we were looking at today. 5-minute bar I didn't like. Where's the action now? Well, look, we've broken below the day's low, so you know, selling up towards 73.60 later would definitely be a trade that I'd be looking at with the stops above 74.30. So any move up to 73.60 later we can buy, and I'm expecting this really to go lower towards 7200 now, at least, maybe down to 71.50 is where this is heading.